But I was telling Shane that my sleeping pattern has changed so much that I'm literally like cottonmouth in the middle of the night snoring. I try to go to bed at night before my wife does, before she gets home. So I'm sitting there, passed out and stuff, and she comes home and I'm snoring, so I'm sure it's hard for her to get to sleep. But I did go out and buy like those little strips that go on your nose, and they work for the most part, as long as you're breathing through your nose. If you put that strip on your nose and you breathe through your mouth, it really doesn't do much, does it? So my wife is like literally like punching me, saying, roll over, move this way.